Turn on or off vibration on your iPhone 17e for incoming calls or notification alerts. First, check that ringtone vibration is enabled. Open the Settings app and scroll to the Sounds and Haptics option. Scroll a little and tap on Ringtone. Here you will see the Haptics option. Tap on it and choose the vibration pattern you want from the list. You can also create a custom vibration. Just make sure you do not select none. Now go back and check whether haptics are set to Always Play or only in silent mode. Under the haptics option, you will see different vibration settings. The first option is Always Play. That means haptics will play when the iPhone rings or receives an alert, even while in silent mode. The second option is Play in silent mode. Haptics will play only when the iPhone rings or receives alerts while in silent mode. The third option is Don't play in silent mode. Vibration will stop when the iPhone is in silent mode. The last option is Never play, which disables vibration in all situations. I recommend selecting Always Play. Now go back and check another important system-wide vibration setting. Open the Settings app again and scroll to Accessibility. Tap on the Touch option. Under Touch Settings, scroll down to Vibration and make sure the toggle is turned on. If this option is off, then no haptic vibration will work. Keep this toggle on to enable vibration. Now you are done. Check if vibration is working for incoming calls. If you set vibration to work only in silent mode or only in ring mode, make sure your iPhone is in the correct mode. Press and hold the action button to turn on silent mode. If the action button is customized for something else, use Control Center instead. Open Control Center from the top right corner of the screen and tap the bell icon to turn silent mode on or off. These are all the ways to fix or adjust vibration settings on your iPhone 17e. Please like this video to support the channel and subscribe for new video updates. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.